Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can enter two hidden menus, engineering menus of a Toyota CHR. Let's start right away with the first one. The requirements are that the ignition is turned off, lights are off. Then we're going to press the ignition button once, that the multimedia gets on. Then we're going to use these two buttons, the vehicle button and the settings button, and these are two different buttons to enter two different hidden menus. Press the vehicle button, hear the beep. Then we're gonna turn the light button 3 times, on, off, on, off, on, off. Keep pressing it and you'll see that you enter a hidden engineering menu. My advice is don't change anything you don't know anything about. You can look. I found it very interesting, so I wanted to share it with you. You can look at it. My advice is don't change anything you don't know enough information about. Okay, the second one is turn the ignition off. Everything is turned off. Light button is turned off. Light switch. One touch for the power button, like this. Multimedia is on. Wait for it to pop on all the way. Like this. Yes, then we're gonna use the settings button, the second from the bottom. You will have to hear the beep, like this. Turn the light switch off, on, off, on, off 3 times, and you'll enter a different engineering menu, like this one. Search around, look around. I don't recommend you to change anything. I found it very interesting. I like these kind of features and I wanted to share it with you. This was a video about two hidden menus on a Toyota CHR 2016 till 2020, I presume. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.